What's up, guys? It's the Basic Boy here, and today I'm still up here on the just with a little cough. Happy Saturday to everyone. We are about to get the Mega Token. In SpongeBob Tower, there won't be a tutorial since, there's only 2 days left. And there's much more better creators than me who also have tutorials. You have to dance on this. You have to do the slash E dance. If you don't know how to do that, then just type the slash capital A. And we're about to get the Mega Token! Yay!